Your bank is costing you money, and if you don't fix this, it will keep happening every single month. Let me show you exactly what to do. Most people get paid and they leave everything in one account, thinking they are managing money. I'm sorry, you are not. You are leaving money drifting gradually on the low. Let me make this a little bit relatable. Let's say you have £5,000 in an account, mainly your current account. And in that current account is a 0%. That you get nothing on your current account. So 0% on 5,000 in a year is £5,000. Better still, drift off a little bit because of inflation. But 5% of £5,000 is £250. And so you see, same money, 0%, but then restructure £250. And that is an excess which covers inflation and any other goodies you may go for. Now, let's fix this. You do not need more money. You only need structure, which you didn't have before. And so let me introduce you to 3 account systems. This is what is going to be the baseline for everyone watching me, whether you are an investor, whether you are someone who knows more about money, or whether you do not have a relationship with money. It has nothing to do with what you know, what you do not know. You need these 3 accounts I'm about to give you. Number 1 is your current account. Your current account is going to be used for your salary, your bills, and your daily spending. That's it. Nothing else stay in that current account. Salary, bills, and your daily spending. Buying this here, buying that here. So let's talk about your groceries. That is what your current account should be for. The day-to-day activities that takes place, the transactions that takes place day-to-day. That is what it's all about. But if you are even a better person with money, why are we using current accounts for a day-to-day transaction? You should be doing this on a credit card. That is another story for another day. Better still, on YAT Finance, I have lots of videos that will educate you on credit cards and how to utilize them to your advantage. And so that is what your current account should be used for. Nothing else. That's it. That's the baseline. The second account everyone requires is a savings account. This is for your emergency funds, your sinking funds, and any short-term needs. These accounts must also earn interest. Yes, I know we are not investing, but do not leave anything in a savings account that attracts between 1 to 1.8%. No, there are better accounts out there giving you 4 to 5%. Once again, if you do not know how to attract or how to identify these accounts, send an email to YATFinance25@gmail.com. If you need support to strategize, to realign your finances, send that email, YATFinance25@gmail.com. Yes, of course, it's not going to be for free, but yet it's going to be to your advantage. And on the other side, there are lots of videos on this platform talking about savings account, your high yield savings account, your ISAs. So please, by all means, save yourself. Number 3 is your ISAs, individual savings account. This is where a lot of people miss out. Every year, you are entitled to £20,000 in your ISA. Now, a lot of people settle with this cash ISAs. It is all right if that is what you want. But why are we in the cash ISAs when the stocks and shares ISAs are available to you? All of your ISAs combined together gives you the £20,000. You're talking about your cash ISA, your stocks and shares ISA, your lifetime ISA, your innovative finance ISA. All of this combined together is your £20,000. And so either you use it or you do not use it. Whichever department you choose to put this money in these ISAs, you need to ensure in every financial year you are maxing up to £20,000. But hey, let's say you are not using your lifetime ISA. You have your cash ISA and your stocks and shares ISA, but for productivity, compounding, and increase, why are we in a cash ISA instead of a stocks and shares ISA? You need to take risk. This life is all about risk taking. You refusing to take risk is refusing to do well in life. In simple terms, take that risk. It must be taken, and take a day at a time with it. ISAs are for investing long-term growth and tax-free returns. Once again, remember, you lose that tax-free opportunity if you do not lose it. And so practically, what I say to everyone is, yes, you may not have £20,000 each year to put in your ISA, and it's understandable because life happens and we have other various needs here and there, and we all are not on the same wage span. And so yes, it is right. But do you have £100? Do you have £50? Can you do a way out of your budget with £200 each month? Then we can talk about investment. Regardless of what you have, put something in your stocks and shares ISA, because this is how wealth is built. And the formula is consistently, quietly, tax-free, which is what I love. Now, let me burst your bubbles a little bit. You are not broke. You only have money sitting in the wrong account. You have free funds floating in saving space, but shouldn't be there. If you fix these 3 I have given you, you're already ahead of a lot of people in this country and other places. Because people do not pay attention to these accounts and they believe that, well, it's an account, it's a current account, let me leave money in here. But no, fix these, review them every quarter. Ensure you are reviewing these accounts. If they are not adding up to you, move on with no guilt. Your current account should also be giving you some goodies. My current account is with Nationwide. And I said in other videos, this year, I am looking forward to £150 and more from Nationwide for free. Holding my account with them. So your current account, even though it's interest-free, should be giving you some form of rewards. Now, if it does not, guilt-free, move on. It's your right and your entitlement. At the end of the day, it's your money and you work hard for that money. And so you control the narrative. See, you may not be a CEO of any enterprise, of any business, but you are the chief executive officer of your life. You are in charge, believe it or not. And if you don't take that decision, the banks will do that for you. Once again, this is YAT Finance. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do follow this platform and I'll see you in the next.